To add picture to contact on the Redmi Note 14s, all you simply have to do is first go for the application Contacts. So let's go in there. From here, make sure that you're in the contacts list, and from here you just have to find any contact that you'd like to set picture for. So I will select this one, and from here you have to press this pencil icon, which is for editing your contact, and now just press this circle or the add picture button to add a picture for this contact. And you can select from your device photos, from Google Cloud. You can add some monogram and some illustrations. We'd like to actually go for the device photos and go for the gallery. And right here there are all of these different pictures from your device. Simply select any of these, and here you can adjust it. You can zoom in, zoom out, and yeah, from there simply press this button, choose, and now here you can see this picture has been set. So after that you just have to press this button to save, and that's how you can do this.